Good morning, happy Sunday. Just made some breakfast and now I'm actually headed to Lowe's. We are working on our backyard right now, so we're doing some projects and building some planters, and it is dirt time.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you?
Alright, so we cleared off the spot for our planter here. Let's see if it fits. Kind of a perfect fit. Alright, let's grab some dirt.
Understand you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones, the flowers that you grow.
The flip? Oh, perfect execution. So we're gonna try to grow some strawberries, tomatoes, zucchini, and carrots, I think. We finished planting. This is what it looks like from our deck. And I'm super excited. All right, it's like 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna make some lunch. I think I'm gonna make a turkey sandwich for lunch.
So you finally running far away from your history, but there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you.
All right, friends, so it is already like 2 o'clock and I've just kind of been chilling after gardening. I took a little bit of a break. I also had a really tough workout yesterday. No excuses. I'm gonna actually clean up a little bit, just probably the living room and maybe the kitchen, and start some laundry. I haven't really gotten ready yet today. I'm still just in my gardening clothes. I need to get ready and go to the gym, and we'll see what else we get into.
Falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like.
All right, so it's kind of high time I get over to the gym. I need to do my hair and a little bit of makeup first, so let's get into it. I definitely need to wash my hair today, so I'm gonna do that tonight. I think at the gym today, I want to do kind of, I don't know, I'm debating if I want to do like a back and bis or like a full body workout. All right, so we got a tight bun. So yeah, like moral of the story, I'm still not really sure what I want to do at the gym today. I've been using the Falsies mascara, the purple one, and honestly just kind of going back into like high school me with this. I've used this mascara for a really long time. I'm honestly pretty tired today, so I'm gonna take it a little bit easy. I definitely like went really hard yesterday and I'm feeling that now. And let's get it. Let's hit the gym. I am not going to take pre-workout right now because I took a lot yesterday and I need a break. All right, guys, so I'm doing a upper body workout today. I'm starting off with doing these threading the needle stretches, basically doing some dynamic stretches. So dynamic meaning that I'm moving and not really doing static stretches, just to really warm up for the lift. I'm also rolling out my shoulders here. And then I'm going in with these, I actually have no idea what these are called. I was about to make something up. They're like the PVC pipes. If your gym has these, they're really helpful for stretching. So I just kind of do a few moves that I've seen other people do, and it actually really stretches out my shoulders. I have a kind of a sore left shoulder, so stretching is really important for me. Next, I'm going into these military presses, and not gonna lie, this is actually the first time I've ever attempted these. I was working in a half-empty gym, so I was feeling very confident. Next, I'm going in with this shoulder exercise. I'm kind of doing shoulders, buys, and back today. Once again, I don't actually remember what this is called. Comment down below if you know the name of this exercise, because it's actually one of my favorite exercises, so I feel like I should know the name. Next, I'm going in with some bicep curls. So if you can tell in these clips, I'm actually holding the opposite hand, the hand that's not curling, at a 90-degree angle, just to add a level of difficulty to these curls. Then I'm going in with some dumbbell gorilla rows. These are also some of my favorite upper body moves. They really hit that upper back, I think. That's where I feel it the most, at least. So hopefully I'm feeling it in the right place. Honestly, I just went outside and kind of just wanted to mess around, and I found these tires and just kind of flipped them over. It has been raining a lot lately, so they were full of rainwater, but honestly, who cares? The gym is an adult playground anyways. Then I did some Stairmaster, probably like 15 solid minutes before I started sweating and wanted to die. It's kind of popping out though. I don't really know how to flex very well, but that looks pretty good to me. All right, what's up guys? Just finished that sick workout. Check out the pump. You can't really see it anymore, but I'm gonna wash my hair. Fun fact, I actually realized I did not put deodorant on for that workout, so hopefully I didn't stink. Yikes. I literally never forget to put deodorant on, but the one time. So I'm gonna oil my hair. Just a little disclaimer for this, I normally like to leave this in for like an hour, but I don't really have the time right now. So I'm just using this rosemary oil, and I'm gonna start just, ow, it's tight on there. Ooh, ow. I got rosemary oil in my calluses. This dropper kind of sucks. I just try to put it all throughout my scalp, and then I like to kind of focus it here as well, just like where, you know, you kind of lose hair. And then I use this, you guys have probably seen this before if you are not new to my channel, but I use my scalp massager and then just massage it in for a couple minutes. This also feels really nice. All right, so after I let that sit for a little bit, I hopped in the shower and just got my hair wet and started out with some shampoo. I'm actually going to be doing 2 shampoos, so shampooing, rinsing it out, shampooing again, making sure that I'm hitting all of the quadrants of my hair, so the upper parts and the lower, and rinsing it out really thoroughly. A common mistake that people make a lot with hair oiling is they only shampoo once, and then they're like, why is my hair oily? Well, you need shampoo twice. Then I'm going in with a hair mask. This is the 3-Minute Miracle by Aussie. It's actually a really great hair mask. I've used it since high school. And then I just comb it through with this plastic comb that I just keep in my shower and pin it up for a couple minutes. Then I'm just going in with my loofah rag thing. It's very exfoliating and awesome for washing your back. All right, so just got out of the shower. I put my hair in this turban thing to let it dry. I don't really like to style it until it's air dried to probably like 75–80% dry. So I'm gonna make some dinner. Tonight I'm gonna make salmon, rice, and something else. Not sure yet. This looks so good. Made a crunchy, well, it's just from the bag, but crunchy salad with balsamic vinegar dressing. We have some salmon with teriyaki and this balsamic glaze and just some rice with it too. Gonna eat this delicious meal and watch some Better Call Saul. Been straight up binging this show lately. So unfortunately for me, I need to do my hair. I really hate doing my hair, but it is dry enough. So I'm gonna section it off. I'm not gonna walk through this whole process because I do have a full video on my channel just explaining how I do my hair. My birthday is actually in 2 days. I'm turning 25 and I just want my hair to be done. Even though my birthday is on a Tuesday this year, I still, you know, want to look nice-ish.
This one is for all the people out there in the bar, drinking away another miserable day on the job, and across from the stage drifts another song.
So I'm gonna take these out. Sorry about the lighting. It is nighttime. It's actually like almost 10 o'clock and I am tired. It felt like a really summery day out though. It was like a really, really nice day. I honestly don't want this day to end. Partly because it's Monday. Partly because it's Monday tomorrow, and partly because it was just like a really fun day. Yay, hair is cute. I definitely need a haircut because my hairs are so long now. I think that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, then honestly, what are you doing? Like, get it together, come on. Like this video, it really helps me out, and I will see you guys in the next one.
3, 2,
Bye.
1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character.